My best wishes to you all on the World Heart Day, which is celebrated every year on 29th of September. So we have been celebrating this every year, but unfortunately there has been a clear negligence to highlight the children with heart diseases. You will be surprised to know that globally, every one child out of 100 live birth is born with a congenital heart defect. And keeping that ratio in mind, in India, close to 240,000 babies are born every year with congenital heart defect. And out of that, 50%, so roughly more than 120,000 children require some form of therapy, either in form of intervention or in form of congenital heart surgery. So when I say heart defects in children, it is not a disease. It is a defect of formation of the different part of the heart. And if that is corrected appropriately in the right time after the baby is born, then these babies, they live a normal life up to 60 to 70 years like any other person. Out of 100 babies operated for a congenital heart defect, close to 90% of them, they require one operation, one stage for life to correct themselves. The rest 10% require multiple operations, however they can be corrected and they do have a fairly good quality of life after the surgery. Unfortunately, with all the efforts of the government, private sector and NGOs, in our country, only close to 27,000 operations are done per year. So we are just 1/10 of the requirement. There is a huge gap between the need and what is being done. So I appeal to one and all to keep this in mind, to save the country and to save the future of the country, they are the children's. All that is required is to diagnose that heart defect, which is very easily done nowadays with echocardiography. Refer them in the appropriate time to a center who can do the surgery or the intervention and fix the defect once for all so that they grow up to become a normal, productive citizen, adding to the value of the country. This is my humble request to one and all not to neglect children with heart defect and to defer surgeries based upon economic or other constraints, rather to optimize and look for help from different NGOs and their philanthropists are there, and the child can of course undergo the surgery. Thank you.